This month's video series is all about what to expect in the real estate market here in Colorado of 2021. Are we going to see a crash? Are we going to see a real estate crash? With bidding wars, lack of inventory, and so many people are asking us, do we feel like the market may crash? You know what they say, what goes up must come back down. I understand how scary it is thinking about what to do. I'm in the same market just as you. Travis Pullen here with Berkshire Hathaway at the Acre Group, being on a team that has helped hundreds of families buy and sell in the area. These seem like unpredictable times. But let's truly compare what happened back in 2006 when we had one of the biggest crashes of American history. According to the National Association of Realtors chief economist, Lawrence Yen, he says, and I quote, such a frenzy of activity reminiscent of 2006 raises questions about the bubble and the potential for a painful crash. The answer? There is no comparison. Back in 2006, adjustable rate mortgages taxed and hurt so many buyers, basically everyone at that time. Some loans didn't even require income documentation. Today, buyers are taking out 30-year fixed mortgages. 14 years ago, there were 3.8 million homes listed for sale, and home builders were putting up just about 2 million new units. Now, inventory is at about 1.5 million, and home builders are underproducing. So that being said, to notice from what the quote was when he said there is no comparison, also a major contributor in the crash back in 2006 was the fact that verbal income loans were being given to buyers. Buyers were being qualified for a loan that they simply could not afford, and in many cases, little paperwork was needed to qualify for a loan. Someone would simply state what they made, and that was considered enough. I just can't believe that that's how it was. Lenders pretty much want your first newborn child in order to approve you. They go above and beyond in qualifying their buyers for a loan and making sure that they have the means to pay for it. That should give us some relief and the respect to the housing market and its stability. Also, homes appraising for higher values from one week to another and at 1 month to the next had a significant impact on the crash. That is just not happening anymore. That is not the case. There are stringent guidelines for appraisals and the amount that a bank is going to lend for a home. I feel we should all understand that there are so many more factors that led to the crash in 2006 that we are just not seeing today. Travis Pullen here with Berkshire Hathaway at the Acre Group. We are always here to help. So reach out to us at any time if you have any questions. I am your Littleton real estate guy. And yes, I hope you have a fantastic day. And remember, thoughts become things, so make sure that they're good ones. I will see you on the next video.